Hi, today I'm going to show you how you guys can create a Facebook business page. So let's get started. First, we will open the Facebook app. After that, click on the three dashes icon in the top right corner. Now click on See More. Here you can see the Pages option, so we will click on it. After that, as you can see, there is a Create option in the top left corner, so click on it. It will take us on this page, so click on Get Started. From here, it will ask the name of your page. So for example, I'm writing YouTube tutorial. After that, click on Next. From here, it wants you to choose the category which best fits your page. You can also search the category from here, and now click on Create. From here, obviously, we are creating a business page, so we will click on the first option. After that, your page is created, but it will ask for some more details to add to your page. After adding the details, you can click on Next. So that's how your Facebook business page is created. Thanks for watching.